Okay guys, we've already looked at how to find the unknown side length of a triangle. Now we're going to look at how to find the unknown angle. First thing to do is to check that your calculator is in degree mode. Press the mode button, make sure that DEG is highlighted. If it's not, press enter when it is highlighted and then clear to exit that screen. Let's start by evaluating sin, cos and tan. Find the sin, cos and tan buttons on your calculator. You'll notice above them that we have sin to the power of -1, cos to the power of -1 and tan to the power of -1. To use these functions, you need to press second, then sin, cos or tan, depending on what information has been given to you. Let's try cos to the power of -1. Then the number you're going to put in is 0.3678. Then we're going to round our answer to the nearest whole degree. Should get an answer of around 68 degrees. This tells you that the angle in the triangle is around 68 degrees. Now we're going to determine the size of each angle. This means finding out the size of the angle in the triangle. So let's look at the equation sin theta equals 0.6543. Step 1 is to write out that equation. Step 2 is to find the size of theta by undoing sin. To do this, we need to do the inverse of sin, which is sin to the power of -1, remembering that you need to press the second button and then the sin. Step 3 is to put the equation into your calculator to find the value of the angle. You'll get an answer of around 40. Remembering that we're rounding these to the nearest whole degree, you should get an answer of 41 degrees. Now let's look at finding the unknown angle from a triangle when we're given two side lengths. First step is to always draw the triangle and then label it. H, hypotenuse, is always opposite the right angle. O, opposite, always opposite the angle or the theta symbol. A, or adjacent, is the side that's left. We then need to decide whether to use sin, cos or tan. We can see that A and H both have a value attached to them, so we will be using cos. Now we substitute the values in. To find the unknown angle, we now need to do the opposite of cos, which is cos to the power of -1. Find the answer by using your calculator and round to the nearest whole degree. You should get 79 degrees. From here, make sure you understand how to find the missing side length. Now we worked on this Wednesday. Go back over your notes, add in anything else that you need to, and make sure you've got a fairly good idea of how to do exercise 6F. Then you can move on to exercise 6G, which is going on from the notes here and finding out the unknown angle.